product demonstration of Aditi from Mindtree Foundation. Aditi, analog digital interface based on Thurman principle, is an input device to a computer developed to enable the child suffering from cerebral palsy to access the computer. Technically, it can be referred to as access switch. The Aditi is working on Thurman principle. If human body comes closer to the antenna plate of the Aditi, it will create a left click of a mouse on the computer.
Aditi will help people with severe musculoskeletal disorders such as cerebral palsy, arthritis, etc., to interact with computers more easily, which will enable them to enter data, to write emails, and to create documents, thereby opening up a new world for them. Aditi generates only left click of the mouse device and it does not generate a right click or controls the cursor.
The Aditi has three features. There is an antenna plate inside the enclosure.
Aditi has two configuration switches, one for configuring approach or removal and the other one for antenna sensitivity.
Some children prefer to generate left click when the hand is approaching the antenna, and some prefer to generate left click when the hand is moving away from the antenna. This is configured using the approach or removal switch.
The other switch is to configure antenna sensitivity. Using this switch, the antenna can sense the hand either at 3 centimeters or 10 centimeters.
Installation of Aditi is very simple. Just connect Aditi to any USB port of the computer or laptop. When connected, the LED will glow. Rest the hand on the desk. Now, roll over the hand towards Aditi antenna plate. You can see that the active window is clicked. Also, you will hear a beep as an audio feedback to the user.
Now, let us see how the user can type the document using on-screen keyboard. We will see how to configure on-screen keyboard and use it. Run the on-screen keyboard application. Configure it for scanning over keys. Set the speed to 2 seconds. Open the notepad and set the font size to 120 points Arial. Click the cursor to the new line in the notepad. Place the cursor on the space bar in the on-screen keyboard. Roll over the left hand near to the antenna plate and type the word hand.
This is a variant of Aditi where only the switch can be inserted between two fingers.
Now, let us see how the user can type the document using just two fingers alone if he is a bedridden patient. Connect the switch base to the USB port of the laptop and insert the finger switch to the hand. Press the finger switch to type the word fingers.
This is another variant of Aditi where just using a smiley ball the document can be typed.
The user can type the document using a smiley ball if he is a bedridden patient. Connect the smiley ball to the switch base. Hold the smiley ball in the hand. Press the smiley ball to type the word smiley. If a user has involuntary movements with his hands and head, he can type documents using his knees. For this, Aditi should be mounted on a fixture near his knees.
If a user has involuntary movements with his hands, he can use his head to type. For this, Aditi should be mounted on a fixture near his head. Thanks a lot for your time. For any queries, please contact Mindtree Foundation.